And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm basically going to be filming a what the fuck am I filming? Oh yeah. Back to my YouTube channel. So this is now day 2 of the intermittent fasting. I did actually do 2 more days prior to this, however I didn't film them, but I am already seeing results. I will go through that a little bit later on in the video, and we're gonna be just cooking now. It's, what time is it? It's 11:45 a.m. And I woke up about an hour ago. I've had a shower, done my makeup. I'm basically gonna be cooking what I'm gonna have for dinner now because I don't want to have to wait when my fast breaks. And yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much get started. I will film it for you as well. I'm gonna be making some steak tortilla things, like Mexican food almost. And yeah, I think that's it so far, and I will keep you updated throughout the rest of the day. I will do body checks and everything else, and hopefully you enjoy this video. See you later. Got some tonic water, just got back from the shop. I got some stuff for the little Mexican salad that's going to go on top, and I've also got some steaks. I've got 2 of them. I just defrosted them this morning. Mexican salad that's going to go on top. So what I've put in here is sliced coriander, chopped onion, chopped red pepper, and 2 chopped tomatoes. So that's that, and then I've started to do the steak now. So in here then I've just got all the seasonings on it. I've not mixed it yet. I'm going to mix this and then fry it, and I will see you soon. So this is what it's looking like so far. I've not done all of it. I'm saving the rest of this for later. I prefer to like cook it and eat it as it's ready kind of thing, you know, instead of heating it up again later. So I've just done half of it. Looking good. What I'm going to quickly do now then is toast up the tortillas. So I think I'm going to have 2 per wrap. It's 187. I might be wise to just have 1 actually. No, let's have 2. Let's have 2. Why not? So I'm going to have 2 of them, which is around 400. The meat, which I will check shortly. I will post a little MyFitnessPal screenshot. Obviously I'm going to add some of that on top, and I've got some chopped coriander there as well, just to pop on the top because I absolutely love coriander. Okay, so here is the finished wrap. Oh my god. I always leave a space at the bottom so I can fold it like that so it doesn't all fall out, because otherwise I'm a really messy eater and I end up with like oil dripping down my arms. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this up. I will show you it wrapped as well, and then I'm going to eat. So here's a quick picture of my body on the morning of day 2. I thought I'd just quickly put a little image in there for you so you can see what I started with. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are now on day 3 of the intermittent fasting. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling energetic. I'm motivated. I'm actually going to go on a run in about 5 minutes once I film this. So it's currently 10:21 then. That means that I can break my fast in about 50 minutes or so. But I'll probably be gone for about an hour, so I'll be breaking it a little bit late, but that's not a problem. I have a coffee. Oh, it just makes your life so much better. Love it. Okay, day 1 I was pretty hungry in the morning. I think because of the way that I'm doing it, in terms of like doing it at night time into the morning, I'm finding it a little bit easier than I would have done if I did it like midway through the day till like the night time and the next day. So it's pretty simple because most of the time, most of my fast, I am actually sleeping. It's just this morning time, this period now where I'm waiting to eat, that I do get really hungry, but the coffee seems to send that away. And if I just do something to occupy myself, like my makeup, like I've been doing, then it's not so bad. I do tend to cope quite well with it. I'm doing the, is it 16/8? I think it's 16/8 fast. So I go 16 hours without eating and then 8 hours where I have an eating period. Because I'm like cutting out breakfast, I think that I go straight to lunch and dinner and then I stay full. So I'm basically like cutting out a whole meal, which is doing wonders for my physique, which I will update you on in just a minute. But yeah, in terms of like feeling, I'm not feeling anything really different, like just hungry. And once I break that fast, I'm pretty fine anyway. So I'm not really struggling as such at the moment. Feeling pretty great, pretty motivated, and I'll show you a physique update as well because I do think that I've lost some weight already, so let's do that really quickly. Oh. This is what I'm looking like right now. You can see I got a little bit of a ab mark there. So that is my physique update. I already feel lighter, I feel like I've lost some weight. Fingers crossed on that one. Unfortunately, I've not got any weighing scales at the moment, but I'm going to be showing you like a before and after in a comparison. So that should do for now, and I have ordered some weighing scales, so when they come I'm going to be trying a 10,000 step challenge. I am actually already starting that, but when I actually begin weighing myself will be in like a few more days time when the weighing scales come. Okay, so it's time to go for my walk now, and I will update you with what I'm eating for breakfast. See you in about an hour. Well, no, I'll see you in a sec because editing skills. Hi everyone, so it is now 11:43. I should have broke my fast about half an hour ago, but I've still not done it. I'm just heating up some food now and then I'm going to eat that and a coffee. I so far have done 5,197 steps, so I've got around 5,000 more to go before I've completed the goal, and that's pretty much it so far. I just filmed a glute workout with activation, which will probably go up in this video, I think, if not sooner. That might already be up by now, by the time you're seeing this. But yeah, so I'm just gonna eat. I'll show you what I'm eating, and that's pretty much it so far. I will update you a bit later on. I'm still out of breath from that exercise, it killed me. I'll update you a bit later on when I'm having dinner, but I'll see you soon. So this is what I'm having then to break my fast. So I've just got some pasta, chicken, a little bit of salad that I just literally took out the bag, and a coffee. And yeah, I'm absolutely starving, so let's eat.